guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. Today, I thought it would be super fun to do an unboxing. I did flip through of the spring flow journal I made for my partner, and I'll put the card above. And this is mine that I just got in the mail, and I thought it would be fun if we did an unboxing together. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Got to cover it. What we got? Alright. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna get my I have to show you the box. You see the pretty tape? Look how my box came off fancy. This is so exciting. I always love doing swaps. I love, creating for someone else. And I always think it's like Christmas when you get something new. And it's fun. And my husband's been sick. He's had neck surgery. He had a stroke. So the month of March and April has kind of been not fun for us in this house. So doing a swap is like a way to perk yourself up, I think, too. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, she did just gorgeous. Look, goodies in here. Goodies in there. Goodies there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the lace and pretty ribbon in there. Just all sorts of goodies. And then some lace here. Whoops. And I'm dropping everything. Some buttons and some charms here. Oh my goodness. And some buttons. Oh look, and some lace. How pretty. Oh look, I just love little appliques and embellishments. Look, I use these in my planners, actually. And the appliques, I love appliques. So nice. Here's the journal. Oh, my goodness. It's always like Christmas, I swear. Just so much stuff. Vintage napkins, lace. And you can tell it's all vintage. Some vintage doilies. And just some ribbon and some just fun stuff. And then the appliques. Oh, just such goodies. I'm so excited. And here's a card. Oh, and look at the little wax seal on the back. I just love those. And I have never done wax seals. I did watch a video on one from Hello Kitty. Not Hello Kitty. I did watch a video on wax seals from Paper Kitty 99. I will put her video down below in the comments. It's really a neat video. Oh, what a pretty card too. Look how pretty the card is. I just love cards and stuff that are handmade. They just have such meaning. Okay, and then there's more lace. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How beautiful. Oops, I got it upside down. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. It just screams spring, doesn't it? So pretty. And it's got so many like little charms and look, some seashells and some Oh, I just love beads and stuff. Oh, so pretty. Look, play. She just did such an amazing job. And all the lace. My goodness. Oh, goodness. Some journaling cards. Oh, look how cute. Look how pretty. Sparkle paper. I just love everything. So pretty. Oh, and look at the cover. It's fabric cover and it's flowers. And it's just so pretty. Now, these are flow journals, so nothing is attached. So I'm going to try not to dump everything out as I flip through here. Look at all the beautiful colors. I love spring. Spring has the prettiest colors. Napkins, gorgeous napkins. Some, oh, what do you call it? Pattern paper. Oh, some just fun paper bag. Lots of little bags and fabric and journaling cards and more paper. Oh, so pretty. Look how gorgeous. And again, flow journals are not, put together. So what I can do is basically everything she gives me, I can just put it all together. Look how pretty. Oh, wow. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love all the papers, all the little bits and bobs in here. It's just absolutely beautiful. The bits of fabric, the bits of paper. Oh, they are just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look, it's 2 signatures. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. This is so fun. And the fabric. Gosh. It's just gorgeous. Oh, I love all the old images. Those are just so cool. The bags. Oh, I love wax bags. I don't have any. Just love this. Look at all the goodies in here and all the goodies in the bags. I mean, it is just wonderful. There's the blanks that you make your own. Just so pretty. Just so, so pretty. And so much goodies to look at. Some washi tape. Some green stamps, which is funny because I sent her a green stamp book too. So that's hilarious. Great minds think alike, Miss Judy. Just gorgeous. Well, this is a gorgeous swap. I am so excited. I just love everything. It's just so much fun. And there's so many little bits and stuff attached to it that honestly, I'm going to have to sit down and just go through it a little bit at a time because it's just so pretty. And these, and I do cross stitch. Yeah, cross stitch. So that will actually come in handy. I had a paper clip. Where did my paper clip go? Oh, it's so pretty though. It's so exciting. I just love it all. I want to say thank you for being my swap partner. It's just absolutely amazing. It is amazing. And I hope you enjoyed yours as she got hers today as well. And so I'm hoping she enjoyed hers as much as I enjoyed this one. Thank you, thank you. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And look at all this. Oh my gosh. It's just so much fun stuff to go through and play with. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Take care.